So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. My name is Teoluckzboom, and I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. In case you're new to this channel, can you subscribe down below for me, guys? Subscribe down below for me. Like this video. Comment whatever dance tutorial you want to see in the comment section. In the dance tutorial, in the dance channel, just comment dance, guys, and I'll do it for you guys in the comment section, guys. So guys, this dance is currently trending. Lil Uzi Vert, guys. Lil Uzi Vert. I think the song is what do you say? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So guys, in case you just need a dance tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Guys, I'll do it. Let's dive into the dance. Now, the first step in the dance tutorial is I see, guys. How do you use? We go your leg like this, guys. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. I think guys, so it's we go your leg, then you 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm doing 4 times. For yourself, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. I see, guys. 4 times again. 1, 2, 3. Go. Hope you're following me, guys. Make sure to follow the step, guys. Just practice this as you're going now. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. I think 4 times. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, once I've gotten that step, the next step we'll do is to you face back, swallow it. Face back, swallow it. All right is to your side. To your side, swallow. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Face back, swallow. Alright, following, guys. From the start one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Face back, swallow. Let's go. From the start again. 5, 6, 7, go. I think, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below for me, guys. Come on, in the comment section, guys. Come on, in the comment section. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. From the comment section, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Face back. Swallow it. If you haven't subscribed down below, subscribe for me down below, guys. Comment with the dance tutorial in the comment section. Let me see what you guys requested. Okay, what you guys requested. Let me see the comment section. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, don't forget to practice the dance at your leisure time, guys. At your leisure time. Yeah, so you just don't forget to practice dance at leisure time, guys. It's a trendy song by Lil Uzi Vert. Lil Uzi Vert. I think the song is What You're Saying. Yeah, that's the meaning of the song. What You're Saying. Is it? Yeah. I don't know, just check it out. This time I'm not singing for you guys. I don't know the lyrics where. The lyrics is like, I think it's Spanish or something. I don't know, but just for you guys. Let's just go it like that. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go. 1, swallow. Thank you, guys. Then for that, the next step we do, you carry your legs forward. Like 1, 2. Take your legs forward. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Your right leg forward, left hand to your side. So it's 1, left leg forward, right hand to your side. 2. So it's 1, 2. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the start. 1, 2, 3, go. Side, swallow. 1, 2. That's it, guys. 1, 2. From the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Side, swallow. 1, 2. 1, 2. I think, guys. Face. 1, 2. Don't forget. Let's go from start one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. So guys, what you do? 1, 2. Next one is raise your right leg up. You have to hit it like this. This is forward. Then raise your left leg up. This is forward. So it's 1. Let's go and start. 5, 6, 7, go. Have fun, guys. So once you're doing that step, the next thing to do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe down below for me. Subscribe down below. Now after that step, next thing to do is what you do 1, 2. Next thing to do is you do it slowly. The same step, but this time I am doing it slowly. This forward, forward. I'm doing it 3 times, but slow this time. So it's 1, 2, 3. From the start, 5, 6, 7, go. Ends, 1, 3, 7. Side, swallow. 1, 2, 1, 2. Slow. 1, 2, 3. See you guys, so it's slow. 3 times. Do that slow move in 3 times. Like you do 3 times. Let's go. Start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Stand. Side. Swallow. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slow. 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 So then once I've done that slow mo, let's do this. So you roll your hands like this. Then you go. You can ask this dance that is trending. Open, open, oh, open, open. Please subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below. Subscribe. Subscribe down below. Subscribe. Yeah. Just subscribe, guys. Now, just put hashtag Teoluckzboom there. Hashtag Teoluckzboom. Put it there. Hashtag Teoluckzboom. There, just put it there. Put it in the comment section. The comment section. Yeah. I'm going to do a repost for you guys. Post for you guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Start. 5, 6, 7. Go. Side. Swallow. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slow. 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 Then you roll your hands like this. Then you open. This song is trending for Alonzi. When is Alonzi by Z Baby Diaz? Yeah, Alonzi Baby Diaz. Just this open, close, open, close. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Don't forget to like this channel, guys. So that's my dance tutorial. In case you like this video, can subscribe down below for me. Like the video, comment what you think. In the comment section, don't forget to watch these videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.